How do you make a professionally looking picture for your resume and for your LinkedIn without any professional equipment? Is what I'm gonna share with you today in 5 steps. My name is George, I'm founder of the Catapult Your Career Academy, and here in this video series I share with you actionable advice, practical knowledge and know-how as to how you can get your career ahead faster and how you can ace your job application process. So if you're new to this video series, consider subscribing. Now today, I'm gonna give you the know-how, the guides, the 5 steps in which you can create a professional picture. Obviously, you can create a professional picture by just paying a photographer to do it for yourself. That can cost you anywhere between $10 if you are somewhere in Asia, up to $300 if you're in downtown New York, maybe more. That's one approach. Second approach you might do is maybe you have a friend who's a photographer who has a good camera and some basic skills on how he can take a good picture of you. That's also an option. But even if you don't have any of these, all of you, since you're watching this video, I'm pretty sure you have some kind of phone. And as long as you have some kind of phone, doesn't have to be the latest iPhone or whatever the top Google Android type of phone. As long as it's, I don't know, it was manufactured after 2011, it will do the job and it will be able to create a decent picture of yourself. So here are the 5 steps in which you and somebody, the only thing basically you need outside of a phone is a person to take the picture of you. So you just find somebody. And step number 1 is that you find a clear background, like for example, like I have here, ideally a white wall, can be some other color as well, but white is very neutral and it very like focuses the attention of the subject, of the viewer on you. So that's why I say white. There shouldn't be any distractions behind you, and ideally this wall should be facing windows, like and so light should be coming out of the windows, and even more ideally these windows should be facing up. Well, if you're in the south, if you're in the northern hemisphere of the world, they should be facing the south. If you're in the southern hemisphere of the world, they should be facing the north, so that there's very fresh sunlight coming in onto you, because this will allow for a very good-looking, professional, high-quality picture for when the picture is taken. Step number 2 that you should make sure is that when you take the picture, that's why the sunlight and the wall is important, is that you take the picture during daylight. This is crucial. You have to make the picture when there is natural light coming in the room. That is, or I mean, it can be outside as well, but outside is a little more tricky. Do it inside is much better. And there's this natural light coming in, and this is crucial. Basically, even if you have the latest iPhone, I don't know, like, doesn't really matter. If you don't have natural light coming in directly to you, it's not gonna be as good. So have the white wall, natural light coming in, you take the picture during the daylight. Step number 3 is that you dress well, right? You dress professionally. If you're a guy, just a shirt or just a shirt and a blazer would be more than enough, but like a shirt is fine. Make sure the shirt, ideally, that is like that it has one color universally. So there's nothing fancy, like a decent solid one color, which shouldn't be some crazy color. Should be like more or less I don't know, simple, conservative, like, just look at what there are pictures out there on LinkedIn as well, so you get an understanding. Maybe white, maybe, well, white and white. It should be a different color from the background, so it kind of, it sets you apart from the background. So dress appropriately. If you're a woman, again, you can have a shirt, you can have a blazer, or some other like kind of dressing, which is again simple, solid, 1, maybe 2 colors max, so there's not too much things out there. And once you're dressed fine, step number 3 for your photographer, or you can do it for himself, is that you set your camera so that it takes pictures in the highest possible resolution. That is important. So your picture looks nicer and it's higher quality. Can be 5 megapixel, 12 megapixel, I don't know, 18 megapixel, depending what your phone is. Doesn't really matter. Even 5 megapixel is more than enough for this experiment. Even 3 will be okay. And then shooting mode comes. So he or she starts shooting you, your friend or whoever. And here it's important to have fun, okay? Have fun with the shootings. Try and experiment with different things. Try looking serious. Try smiling. Try maybe, I don't know, just doing some crazy, not natural ways in which you like with your face. That is okay. You don't have to, like, he's just taking a shitload of pictures. I don't know, 50, 100, 150 pictures of you. You just experiment, make yourself, just try things, try looking in different ways with your eyes. I mean, just, you know, get out there and have fun during the recording this process. You only need one picture, but to get this one picture, sometimes you need to get in this feeling of, hey, I look good, I feel good, I'm casual, I'm not stressed, I'm not strict. Because a lot of people, depending on who you are, if you're not used to taking pictures, you might be like, oh, now I have to look serious. I mean, just try different things. You don't necessarily have to look serious. A good smile or a basic, a small smile or a big smile is also fine. Just experiment with different things. Have a bunch of pictures, 100 pictures, and then just go through them. And in step number 5, choose the picture that you like the most, and then open it up, this picture, with Adobe Photoshop Express on your mobile phone. It's available both for Android and for iOS. And there you can edit that picture. You can crop it, you can add filters, you can increase the exposure. You might want to do that, so sometimes, you know, so that your face looks better. You know, all of us or most of us have some imperfections on our face, right? So these imperfections will be reduced if you have a good daylight coming in front of you, but you can further remove those imperfections if you just increase slightly the exposure, the settings exposure in Photoshop Express, and just play around with our settings so that you reach a moment where you like how your picture looks. It looks professional, and then you upload it and you're ready. By the way, this is exactly how I did my professional picture for my LinkedIn a couple of years ago. I just used this white wall that I have here. There's the sunlight coming from there. I used my old phone that was model 2013 or 14. My sister is here. She took about 100 pictures of me. I was just with a very simple gray shirt. On this background, there some pictures were not very successful. Other pictures were not successful at all. But at the end of the day, I got a picture which was kind of fine. I look kind of okay. I edited it a little bit, and then it's on LinkedIn. And it's still on LinkedIn for now. Hope that was helpful. Let me know down in the comments below. Now, if you're during the process of your job application, you're preparing this picture for your resume, for your LinkedIn, make sure you check out my Bulletproof Strategies guide downstairs below this video, which will enable you to impress employers, will give you ideas as to how you can buff up your application so you maximize your chances of getting to that job interview and maximize your chances of acing that job interview once you're there. So make sure you check this out. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this one, make sure you subscribe. And until I see you next time, go out there, aim high for your goals, execute boldly on your goals, review the results of your work, and keep repeating this process again and again so you keep growing professionally, reaching your goals, realizing your dreams. I'll see you very soon, I hope, in another video.